welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Kiran's Flowers Food Items. So, guys, today I'm gonna be telling you. As I promised you, I would make some flowers, but I changed my mind, and from now on, I'm gonna tell you the world's most dangerous viruses. So let's dig into the thing. So today I'm gonna tell you about the Black Death. So, guys, as you know, coronavirus still here and we're still struggling stick in our houses. I'm actually pretty sad, but at the same time I'm actually really happy because I don't have to go to school. So, guys, let's dig into the virus. I don't actually mean, but this is a catchphrase for me. So, guys, as many of you know, you might know about the Black Death, but you still don't know a lot of details about it. So today I'm gonna tell you. So let's get on. So now let me tell you what's called the Black Death. So, guys, when the first people, okay, let me just tell. I'm gonna just tell you that later because I'm having a lot of trouble because I learned this line. So let me just tell you. So, guys, when this virus first occurred in China, and when the first person in China got this virus, so this virus was caused by rats as fleas. So, guys, what happened that it came in 1346 when this first occurred. So, guys, the first person in China, when he got this virus, he noticed that he got a small pimple or a small brooch on his arm. He thought that it was just because of that he was farming, because there were no cities, so there were just villages. But after 2 days, it got wider and wider. Then he noticed that this is not normal. So he decided to pop it. When he popped it, all of the blood and all of the white ooze came out. But after that 2 days, his arm turned black, and the doctor noticed that this wasn't normal. It never occurred in China. They never saw a case like this. So they told him that to drink these medicine. But after 2 days, he got more worse and worse. The doctor said, "There's nothing I can do, Billy. I have to cut your arm, Billy." So after that, sadly, he died. He couldn't survive. So that's how it kept spreading and spreading and spreading, and a lot of people, a lot of communication, community after community started dying because of this virus. So it wasn't very good. So after that, 2 sailors got it while they were on their way to Europe. So when they got it, when they got home, they died. When the doctors saw this case, they were like, "This is not normal." They knew about the Black Death. So after this, it kept spreading and spreading and spreading, and a lot of people died because of died in Europe and Asia. So what after that, in 1946, in 1946 the doctors figured out a little about this virus, and then they didn't even knew that they had to cover their mouth when they're coughing. So what happened, the doctors requested all of the villagers to cover their mouth when they're to wear a mask and keep a distance, like a 6-meter distance from each other. If you see someone coughing, stay away. So, guys, at first the doctor thought that this virus came from the water, but it actually came from rats as fleas, and other kind of fleas. So yeah. So after that, in this century, people still fear that the virus would come back. Do you fear? Let me know in the comments down below. So, guys, as you know, tomorrow I'm gonna tell you about the coronavirus part 1, and then coronavirus part 2. So, guys, people still fear that the virus would come back, but it never did. But let's see what happens. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. So, guys, this is end of my video. Please smash that like button, turn on the subscribe, turn on the bell notification to see all of my new videos. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow, and I usually postpone my videos till 4 o'clock or maybe 2 o'clock. So keep a quarter distance. So, guys, stay home, stay safe, and if the schools open, they probably won't. inshallah the virus would go away. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.